The tiger has nothing to do with Igbo people. It is not even indigenous to Igbo land. There are a number of animals that are indigenous to Igbo land. Okay, some of these animals are the leopard. You have the leopard, you have the serpent, you have the elephant, you have the ram, you have the bull, you have the fish, and some other animals. They could have used any of these animals as a symbol of Igbo people and their culture. If they had to use a wild animal, they could have used the head of a leopard. For Igbo people, the leopard signifies royalty, nobility, power, mystery. They could have used the head of a leopard. Our forefathers then would hunt for leopards for their skin, and I recall my grandfather used to have one. So that's for the leopard. They could have also gone for a ram. A ram is a symbol of sacrifice. It's a symbol of peace. It's a symbol of love. They could also have gone for the fish. The fish is a mark of sacrifice. It's a symbol of the sacrificial race. The Igbos are the sacrificial race. We know what Igbo people have endured over time. And apart from that, the fish is also connected to the Ichi symbol, which was in ancient times and even in pre-colonial times, the mark of God-men. They could have used that. They could have also have used the serpent. The serpent happens to be a totem of the son of the mother goddess. In Igbo cosmology, the mother goddess doubles as both an earth goddess and a water goddess. And the totem representing her son is the serpent.